Hi, this is TSchaum, and this is my special ed binder. This is my table of contents. My first tab is the Montana Special Education from OPI, and I've only tabbed a few things, which I'm sure as the years go on I will be tabbing a lot more. Just the timeline of the initial evaluation. Here is examples of PLAFs, MAGs, and STOBs that are a challenge right now for me, is writing those. My next tab is my K6 standards-based report cards, and I like this because it pretty much puts all the standards all together and pretty easy to find for each grade level, kindergarten, first, all the way through 6th. I also have a tab about more PLAFs on how to write PLAFs and examples. The next tab I have is some accommodation and modifications. Some examples. I'm sure I'll be adding more to that. Here are some MAGs and STOBs, information on how to write them. I also put in here Infinite Campus alerts, because as I'm learning Infinite Campus, sometimes is the challenge or the struggle of writing an IEP. So I just printed that up in case there's something comes up along. I could go through this, help out. I also have the procedural safeguard notice that we hand out to the parents to have it handy and ready. I also have, my next tab is high school standards. Right now I just have the mathematical standards. I'm going to add the reading to that. Also, I've been working on transition IEPs as well. So I have a tab here for transition with some student surveys. There's a parent survey in here in case the student is not able to fill this out. Also examples of where and how to word the transition goals and how to pick the person that's going to be in charge of the responsibility and such. Just kind of giving me examples to help me with these IEPs as it comes along. I also add in here the eligibility criteria. Kind of helped me because I'm thinking about one of my students being an emotional disturbed student right now, and this is something I kind of came across, and it's helping me kind of look at the criteria to see if we need to go different routes with him. So I figured as the years go on and the days go on, this might be helpful. I also have terminology, because this is also another struggle, is understanding all the acronyms and the language of special ed. So I've added that into my tab as well. So that is my IEP binder.